What's going on? This is Dax Miller. I built a company called Magicite, and I've been building on top of Fulfil since 2018, and I absolutely love it. It is the best ERP period in the e-commerce space. What I love about it is, number one, the API is amazing. I can just guess what the endpoint is going to be. It's very predictable. It just crushes, and it's so easy to build on top of. Two, the throughput for volume is just, to me, it's flawless. I've been working with 8 and 9 figure retailers that are just hammering against it, just orders on orders on orders all the time. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Valentine's Day. It just always has been there and been so reliable. And three, the people, the support has been phenomenal. Always can get any questions answered. Always willing to go the extra mile. You know, Sharoon, Kabir, the whole team, ever since day one when I started out with, when I found the platform, it's been wonderful working with all of that team. So if you are trying to expand your e-commerce platform and want to get somewhere where you can be nice and cozy, sit, be comfortable, and grow, not have to change platforms in a couple of years, Fulfil is where it's at, and you're not going to regret it. So that's the one to choose.